Namaste learners, today we are going to start with chapter 7, national symbols. As you all know that our national symbols represent our country, India. We have national bird, national tree, national flag and national emblem. These all are symbol. What they do? They represent our country. Right? So let's study about a national flag, national emblem, national anthem, that is Jan Gan Man, national song, Vande Matram, national animal, national bird, national flower, national fruit, national tree, national river, national aquatic animal, and our currency. So, as you all know that our country is recognized by some distinctive object of which are called national symbol. Our country India has many symbols. They help to kindle the feeling of national pride and loyalty. If we talk about our national flag, this is our national flag, which is treacle. This is saffron white and your dark green, and in the between is a navy blue color wheel in which we have 24 spokes that tells about the 24 hours of our world, right? So they are in the equal proportion. Ratio of width of length is 2 to 3. If we talk about center, that is chakra, what it represent? It is in navy blue color. It represent 24 hours on the clock. Top saffron color, what it indicates? Strength and courage. Then we have white, we have peace and truth, and green, that is fertility, growth and auspiciousness. Next is your national emblem, that is Sarnath Lion Capital Ashoka. It was adopted by Government of India on 26th of January 1950. In this you can see there is a 3 lion that are visible to you, fourth being hidden from the view, and the wheel appears. What it tells you about the relief in the center of the abacus with bull on the right and horse on the left and outlines of the other wheels on the extreme right and left. So the word Satyam Jayate, which means truth alone trims, what it describes, that it is inscribed in Devanagari script. Now national anthem, which is played and sung on the various national occasion, composition consisting of the words and music of first stanza to the late poet Rabindranath Tagore. That is Jan Gan Man. This is our national anthem, right? Everyone sing it at their morning assemblies in their schools, and then above is the full version of the anthem you can see, and the time which is it is played as 52 seconds. Next is national song, that is Vande Matram, which is written by Bankim Chand Chatterjee. It's a source of inspiration to the people of their struggle for freedom. It has equal status with national emblem, and Vande Matram means Hail Motherland. This song was first sang in 1896 meeting of Indian National Congress. Right? You can see over here. Next is national animal. As you know that it's Royal Bengal tiger, you can see here. It's a combination of grace, strength, agility and enormous power. Right? Tigers have become an endangered species due to constant poaching. You can see that their poaching is being done. So that is why they are becoming endangered species. Right? To check the dwelling population of tiger in India, we have started Project Tiger, which was launched in 1973. Next is Indian peacock, that is our national bird over here, with the colorful bird with a fan-shaped crest of feathers you can see here. It is the female and it stands for natural beauty, grace, joy and love. Next is national flower, that is lotus, right? It's sacred flower and occupies unique position in the art and mythology of India. It's an auspicious symbol. What it is? Auspicious symbol, and it symbolizes purity of heart and mind. Then we have national fruit, that is your mango. It's widely cultivated fruit and mango is our national fruit. It has been cultivated in country since ancient time. In India, if we talk about, there are more than 100 varieties of mangoes in different size, shapes and colors. Next is national tree, that is your banyan. You can see here, it branches roots themselves like a new tree over a large area. What roots give rise to more trunks and branches? Because of its longevity. The tree is considered immortal, right? And what it symbolizes? Country's unity. Then we have national river, that is Gangi, right? It is the longest river. It is 2,510 kilometer through mountains, valleys and plains. It originates snowfields of the Gangotri glacier in the Himalayas, Bhagirathi river. It is revered by Hindus as the most sacred river on the earth. Next is a national aquatic animal, that is your Ganga river dolphin, right? It is habitat is holy river Ganga. It can only survive in pure and fresh water. Then we have national currency, that is rupee, right? And the sign is an amalgam of Devanagari, Ra, and Roman capital R, with two parallel horizontal stripes running at the top representing the national flag and also equal to sign. Indian rupees was adopted by Government of India when on 50th July 2010. This was all about a national symbol. Hope you understood each and every symbol, and they are very important as they represent our country, India. That's all for today. Thank you for learning with me. Keep enjoying. Now we will meet in the next class. Thank you.